In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your estimated costs and break-even price before placing a buy order on Robinhood using your browser. This is a great way to understand exactly what you're getting into before committing to any trade, whether you're buying stocks or options. So let's walk through the entire process step by step so you feel confident about making informed decisions on your investments. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. It's important to ensure you're on a secure and trusted network whenever you're accessing sensitive financial information. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. At this point, you'll want to search for the stock or option you're interested in. You can either use the search bar at the top of the page or browse through your watch list. Once you locate the security you're interested in, click on it to bring up the detailed information page. Now that you're on the page for your desired stock or option, look for the Buy button. This is usually located prominently on the screen. Go ahead and click Buy to initiate a purchase order. Here, you'll see a place to enter the number of shares you want to buy. You don't need to actually complete the purchase at this stage. We're just gathering information for now, so enter any number of shares you might consider buying. Remember, you can always modify this later. Once you've entered a share amount, turn your attention to the right side of the order screen. Here, you'll find two crucial pieces of information: the estimated cost and the break-even price. The estimated cost shows you how much you'll pay in total for the selected number of shares, factoring in the current market price. The break-even price is especially helpful because it tells you exactly at what share price you would need to sell in order to recover your investment. One of the most useful features Robinhood provides is the ability to play around with these numbers before you actually buy. Try changing the number of shares or adjusting the price you're willing to pay. As you do this, you'll see the estimated cost and break-even price update automatically. This allows you to simulate different scenarios and see how your choices affect the potential profit or loss you might experience. It's a safe way to plan out your trade before putting any money on the line. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll become much more aware of what to expect financially before you commit to any trade on Robinhood's browser platform. Always take the time to look at these details, as doing so can help you avoid surprises and make smarter decisions with your investments. Happy trading.